Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to English Well India. My name is Rajesh Kumar. English Well India, as you all know, it is an institution where what where we prepare English enthusiasts who want to improve their communication, means English communication, as well as along with English communication, we also prepare them by enhancing their personality to face real world challenges. It is actually first official video as far as English classes is concerned. Very fairly, I want to make you all clear here at this juncture, as I have mentioned in my previous introductory videos. English Well India is an institution where we are going to prepare experts. Somewhat, as far as English is concerned, it's not like we are going to teach you ABCD. Here, English Well means if you are part of this, if you are continuously watching our videos, then somewhat you are inculcating lot of soft qualities also in your set of skills along with English communication. Instead of saying speaking, why we use word communication? Instead of saying English speaking courses, we called up English communication courses. It is just because we are not just teaching how to speak English. We are actually here overall grooming, developing your personality, which will tomorrow make you someone who you actually want to be. Because in life, we all of us wants one thing, that is what? That is success. Success is actually combination of lot of things. So here we are not just preparing you to speak good English. We are preparing you to communicate effectively. Either by lot of time your personality speak, your personality communicate instead of you. Lot of time your eyes communicate, that is part of personality. So here at English Well, we are committed to groom you overall what it is needed. So just focus on what we are going to make you. Alright, so let's start. We are going to start from very basic, and one more thing. From today, instead of using fully English word in our communication, we are going to add Hinglish. Hinglish is actually combination of English as well as Hindi. This will be somewhat better. Instead of focusing just on only few grammatical portion, we are going to cover overall our personality development. But start from English speaking. So why you all want to improve your English? आप अपनी अंग्रेजी क्यों सुधारना चाहते हैं? और इंग्लिश का मतलब क्या होता है? इंग्लिश सिर्फ एक वर्ड है, ENGLISH, बट इन रियल अगर डेप्थ में देखोगे तो ये बहुत ब्रॉड है. जब भी हम इंग्लिश की बात करते हैं तो जनरली लोगों के जो माइंड में परसेप्शन है बोलना, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, बट इट इज़ नॉट ट्रू. आप तब कह सकते हो कि आप अच्छी इंग्लिश जानते हो व्हेन एक इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेटर को एक अच्छा इंग्लिश रीडर होना चाहिए. मीन्स आपको इंग्लिश पढ़ना अच्छी तरह से आना चाहिए. यू नीड टू बी एनफ वेल वर्स्ड इन रीडिंग Second thing is writing. You also need to be very good in English writing. Whenever writing come in for a, जब इंग्लिश लिखने की बात आती है तो कहीं ना कहीं कॉन्शियसनेस मीन्स सावधानियाँ और ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट हो जाती हैं, बिकॉज इंग्लिश लिखते समय आपको ग्रामर, ट्रांसलेशन, वर्डिंग और एक्स्ट्रा परसेप्शनरी सेंस, लाइक लॉट ऑफ टाइम आपने सुना भी होगा कि वर्डिंग के हिसाब से लग रहा है कि कोई दूसरा टेंस है, बट इन रियल ट्रांसलेशन जो हो रहा है, कन्वर्जन जो हो रहा है, वो किसी दूसरे टेंस में हो रहा है। तो मैं आप लोगों को यहाँ पे क्लियर कर देना चाहता हूँ, इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग टू बी फुली ग्रामेटिकल क्लास, इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ standard communication class. So don't try to find here much emphasis on grammar. Of course it will be there, but ultimately our aim is to excel, as I have mentioned in my initial addressing. This is basically emphasize for those who is working somewhere but they are not growing. मतलब वो लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन just because of their communication, just because of their skill set, they are not getting growth. So, and of course it means somewhat, it doesn't mean that someone who is not working, they are not going to get benefited of it. It's only means that our level of communication are bit standard as far as Indian context is concerned. Okay, तो यहाँ पे लेवल थोड़ा सा हाई होगा रियल वर्ल्ड के अकॉर्डिंग. समवट वी आर गोइंग टू teach you business English. So in this way इंग्लिश में 4 चीज़ें आती हैं: रीडिंग, राइटिंग एंड व्हाट स्पीकिंग, एंड वन मोर एस्पेक्ट्स आर वेरी एसेंशियल एज फार एज इंग्लिश इज कंसर्न. वह क्या है? लिसनिंग. लिसनिंग भी इंग्लिश का उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है जितना कि रीडिंग, राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग है. इवन लिसनिंग जो है इंग्लिश का उससे भी बड़ा इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. तो इंग्लिश की अगर हम बात करें तो 4 चीज़ों से मिल के बनती है. मीन्स आप इंग्लिश रीडर अच्छे होने चाहिए. राइटिंग मीन्स आप अच्छे इंग्लिश राइटर होने चाहिए. थर्ड थिंग इज आप अच्छे स्पीकर होने चाहिए. मीन्स आप अच्छी इंग्लिश में वार्तालाप कर सकते हैं. चौथा है आप अच्छे इंग्लिश के लिसनर होने चाहिए. तो अगर ये चारों चीज़ें आप फुलफ़िल करते हो तो आप मान लो कि अपने आप को एक आप अच्छे इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेटर हो. ओके, ये तो हो गई. ये सारी चीज़ें अगर आपको आती हैं तो आपको अच्छी इंग्लिश आती है. अब सवाल यह है कि इंग्लिश क्यों? देयर आर thousands of languages across globe, but why English? As Indian, Hindi is our mother tongue, and lot of other regional languages which support statism, which reflect cultural reinforcement. Then why English? My friends, as everybody knows, English is very few languages across globe which is spoken universally. पूरे विश्व में इंग्लिश बोली जाती है. सो इट डजेंट मैटर यू आर इन इंडिया, यू आर इन अमेरिका, यू आर इन ब्राज़ील, यू आर कैनेडा, यू आर रशिया, यू आर एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. मीन्स इफ़ यू नो ओनली वन लैंग्वेज, दैट इज इंग्लिश, यू कैन वर्क एनी पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. आप यूनिवर्स के किसी भी हिस्से में सर्वाइव कर सकते हो. नॉट ओनली सर्वाइव कर सकते हो, आप अच्छी कहते हैं ना सोर्स ऑफ इनकम भी फाइंड कर सकते हो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ योर कम्युनिकेशन. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज इट इज़ यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज विच विल प्रोवाइड यू एक्सेस टू वर्क अक्रॉस द ग्लोब. एंड second thing is what? English is a status symbol. It reflects smart personality. It reflect lifestyle. And third thing is what? Third thing is इंग्लिश, इफ़ वी आर एबल टू स्पीक गुड इंग्लिश, अगर हम अच्छी इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं, then it boosts confidence in us, and everybody knows confidence is key to success. अगर कोई बंदा कॉन्फिडेंट है तो आप मान लो उसकी हाफ से ज़्यादा सक्सेस ऐसे ही श्योर है. बट आई वांट टू मेक इट श्योर हियर यू ऑल कि कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसे भी नहीं आता. कॉन्फिडेंस आने के पीछे कारण यह होता है कि आप को कहीं न कहीं जो बैक में रिक्वायरमेंट है, चाहे वो आपका कम्युनिकेशन हो, चाहे आपकी नॉलेज हो, चाहे आपके फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस हो, चाहे आपकी स्मार्टनेस हो, चाहे आपका हार्ड वर्क एंड लेबर हो, तो कहीं न कहीं जो कॉन्फिडेंस होता है वो कई चीज़ों का मिक्सचर होता है. और कॉन्फिडेंस तभी आएगा जब आप कंटिन्यूअसली प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हो, आप कहीं न कहीं उस चीज़ में अच्छे हो. मीन्स आपको मैं एक सीधे अगर एग्जांपल के तौर पर समझाऊं तो क्रिकेट आप सब लोग देखते होंगे. क्रिकेट में अगर कोई किसका इंस्टेंस लूँ, चलो इंडियन स्किपर विराट कोहली की बात कर लेते हैं. अगर विराट कोहली अच्छा क्यों है? क्योंकि अच्छा खेलता है. अच्छा क्यों खेलता है? क्योंकि देखो दो पार्ट होता है. एक तो लकी फैक्टर होता है कि करोड़ ऑफ पीपल माइट बी वॉकिंग, बट उनमें से सक्सेस कुछ लोगों को मिलती है. बट ठीक है, मीन्स अगर किसी को सक्सेस मिली तो वो भी वॉक कर रहा था. माइट बी लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल बी अनलकी, बट इट इज़ फेट ऑफ यूनिवर्स कि फेट में लाइक कहते हैं ना कि फेट में few people lucky. It is fate's partiality, but nobody can question because it is ultimately fate. So विराट कोहली अच्छा खेलता है, बट अच्छा खेलता है मतलब क्या कि अगर ही इज़ नेशनल प्लेयर, इनफैक्ट इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर, और अगर उसको आप किसी रणजी ट्रॉफी में खिला दो तो believe me both, oh god, tomorrow is Ranji Trophy against Uttar Pradesh, or it is going to be against Karnataka, or it is going to be Ranji Trophy match against Bihar, Punjab, Delhi, whatever region. He will not worry because he is an international player. He have much confidence because he have faced global players. So moral of the story कि confidence came, why he is confident? He is confident just because of he has put in a lot of efforts, he has put in a lot of work in back behind his struggle, his time. So सवाल है कि कॉन्फिडेंस ऐसा कोई होता भी नहीं. कॉन्फिडेंस के पीछे कहीं न कहीं कुछ बातें होती इसलिए कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं. तो मीन्स उसके पीछे का जो हार्डवर्क है, जो लेबर है, वही चीज़ आपको कॉन्फिडेंस बनाती है. नहीं तो अनयूजुअली कॉन्फिडेंट होने का कोई मतलब नहीं है. वो कॉन्फिडेंस आप जस्ट शो करते हो, आप होते नहीं हो. गॉट इट? सो अगर आप अच्छे इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेटर हो, इट विल क्रिएट अ सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस इन यू. आइदर यू आर गोइंग फॉर इंटरव्यू, आइदर you are going for conversation with anyone, either any event which is going to occur. In fact, if you are not prepared, but all those work which you have performed in back of your personality, in your empty time, or you can say your precious time, which what's that called, which fetch their result in time of need, which you don't know, but it do. Alright, so personalities, confidence is another aspect of good personality, good English. And next is what, and if you know good English, then as you can walk any part of the world, I said, means your earning power, chances of getting succeed get enhanced. And next is, if you are a good English communicator, you know good English, then in all competitive examinations, chances of your success will boost. In fact, in all top-notch examinations, English decide the fate in which direction your success are going to be. And English is somewhat a language which make things easier. Like I told, lot of other languages are accessible across globe. Might be Chinese, might be in some part speak Russian. In fact, nowadays Hindi is also growing as far as global arena is concerned. But English have very distinct presence across the globe. In fact, Chinese is second spoken language across the globe. In fact, first, I think. But Chinese is very difficult. So if you know English, then you are, as far as your identity is concerned, your confidence level, your time of need is concerned, it is going to resolve your all problem. And English is somewhat, as I said, a reflection of smart personality. If you're a good communicator, it will impress things, people, like decision makers whosoever come in your ways. So English have lot of influence. So English is essential to know. In fact, if you don't know any other languages, once you somewhere you went over where might be most of majority way of communication is Chinese, but there will be a lot of people who know and understand English. All right, so this is all about English. And what next? Actually, we have decided English in few levels. Means ideal English is what? 100%, which is actually impossible. Nobody have taken born on this earth who can say somewhat I'm 100% good English speaker, good English communicator, because it is depth. If might be someone will be far better in grammatical part, then a lot of time phrases will come in play. Then each and every time, as far as time is playing its role, then a lot of things get changed over time. Then we need to upgrade ourselves, we need to update ourselves with those terminologies, with those valuable lessons, as far as life is concerned, as far as professional world is concerned. So English is actually, we have decided a file ideal English, which is almost 100%, 95 to 100%, which is really very tough, and very few percent of people dream for that. And next is what? Superior English. Superior English level is somewhere 70 to 80%. If you are able to speak on a scale of 100%, 70 to 80%, then somewhat you are a superior English communicator, your best English communicator. And approximately next level is third level, what I have decided, fluent English. As per me, if you are able to communicate 60 to 70%, somewhere in mid of 60 to 70% of English, then you come in fluent communicator level, which is actually our motto here at Englishville India to gain that. Means our standard is fluent English speaker. That level is on a scale of 100. Our target is 60 to 70%. Next level is what? Next level is good English. That is somewhat 40 to 50%. If you are able to speak 40 to 50% of English on a scale of 100%, then you are very good English communicator. And average English speaking, as far as my rating is concerned, 25 to 40%. So a lot of people, approximately as far as India is concerned, whosoever speak good English, they somewhat 70 to 80% come in this level, 25 to 40% under that they call average speaker. Then if you are below 35, 0 to 30%, then you are at basic stage. This is what it is not standard. This is the standard which decided by me. Actually, I have decided English speaking is standard on very higher scale. So might be my rating, my level of expectation is a bit higher. Alright, so this was introductory class of English, and what we are going to cover as far as English is concerned. Here at English Well, we are going to cover approximately all fundamental of English, which is essential to speak good English, few of which are just let me see a list what I have manufactured. Here we are going to cover, it is, I told you, it is not just English communicating speaking classes. I have given it name English communication courses, English communication classes, just because of we are much emphasizing on personality development part. Personality development is what? Personality development consists of lot of things, which later I'll let you all know. Just what actually, as far as English is concerned, what we are going to cover. We are going to cover personality development, basic English, business English, retail business management. Also we are going to cover under this. Means somewhat it is a entrepreneurial English, but we are going to cover it. It is added advantage which you have, which nobody have. And next is entrepreneurship. I said GDNPI. GDNPI is group discussion and personal interviews session. We are going to cover here, along with, and what is key of English? Key of English is word power, vocabulary. Approximately 1000 vocabulary we are going to cover, which is very essential, and of course have a standard. And next is interview questionnaires. How to get succeed in interview, what probable questions would appear in front of you, we are also going to cover in this session. And next is public speaking. A lot of time we face a lot of challenges as far as public speaking is concerned. We are going to cover, because it is part of personality development. In fact, I'm not very good public speaker, so along with you all I'm also going to learn this tacts. Next is our extempore. Extempore is all about providing you any topic without prior preparation, randomly. This actually show your real knowledge and real personality. So we are going to cover it also here in our English Well communication courses. And next is computer basic skills. We are going to cover it because it is part of personality. Until unless you don't know computer, it is really hard for anybody. Only two things are growing across globe. One thing is communication need to be, second thing is computer, IT nowadays. So basic computer skills we are going to cover here. And next is grammar and translations. That is what? Grammar is what? Heart of English, and translation is soul of English. So as far as grammar is concerned, you just consider as of now part of speech, which majorly we are going to cover here. And next is trend and lifestyle, because we have to make ourselves equipped with current market trend, and of course lifestyle and glamour. We need to be a lot of glamours because we have to market ourselves. So glamour need to be part of personality, and lifestyle is directly proportional to what we have. But all these depends on confidence, and as I told you all, confidence comes from knowledge, from hard work, from efforts, from, and of course success is something which change every definition. So just be in touch, and we are going to come soon with real fundamental. This was introductory class, introductory presentation of English Well. English contains what is going to cover in upcoming 2 months. It is time of corona, so definitely everybody have plenty of time. So use this time to enhance yourself, and don't forget to subscribe channel English Well India, because of when you will subscribe each and every time when new videos I'll upload, anything will happen as far as English Well India is concerned, any activities, it will automatically, you will get informed about that. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel English Well India. In parallel on Facebook, we have our presence, but not by English Well. We have our presence by brandisbusiness.com, but somehow you can find it Brandis Business, and Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere we are. So subscribe and follow us. Just it is communication strategy. Rest I'll let you all know how we have decided approximately within wherever you are, no matter, might be I'll be here, I'll be somewhere, but through this channel, if you are able to subscribe this channel, whatever information, whatever videos I'll upload, you will understand, and I can assure, I can promise you all, it will change drastically in your performance if you're working professional, in your lifestyle, in your content, in your life, in fact in each and everything. It will shows you the door of success. A lot of people questions me why I didn't do if I have all things. I'm an entrepreneurial venture mindset person. We are not made for work on everything. We have our own priorities. You don't count on all those aspects. You just need to go and know right now what it is needed for your wellness. Rest, on time, I'll let you all know. So keep smiling. Have a great day. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe English Well India.